works as a heat pump. If you look, this is a sealed tube, and this is a plunger in the middle, and you push and push and push and push until it stretches all this side out and condenses this into a very small crunch. Now this point here is where the heat is used from a heat pump, and down here where this energy that's condensed goes into this vaporous area is where it cools. Now what I found is the math of condensing and evaporating in life. And it took a caveman to maybe figure it out.